Hello everyone. Now we are going to understand chapter number 15, that is Yoga and Health. Since time immemorial means from past so many years, in history also means yoga has been practiced in India, means in the past, in the olden days also yoga has been practiced in India. In religious text, what are religious text? Like Gita, Ramayana. So here Gita, Vedas, the Upanishads, we find references to yoga. Means we can understand, we can come to know that yoga has been practiced in India in olden days. Yoga means unity or oneness, unity, togetherness. Yoga is a way of life. It is the union of body, mind, and soul. Yoga is the cure of all disease. I hope during this pandemic situation everyone must have learned this lesson that yoga is the cure of all diseases. Yoga not only makes us physically strong, but it also makes us emotionally balanced and also enhances our creativity. It is a collection of spiritual techniques. What does it carry? Spiritual techniques. It just unite what? Body, mind and soul. And what happens when they unite? We are able to enhance our creativity. That way yoga helps us. So it is a collection, actually it is a collection of spiritual techniques. Breathing during yoga practice makes us relaxed. When we do breathing exercise, we become relaxed, peaceful and focused. It enhances our confidence and concentration. It improves our confidence and concentration. We all know that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Resides means where it stays, in healthy body only. Yoga increases our mental awareness, which helps us to understand things in a much better way. When we do yoga, when we practice yoga, we become light, we become relaxed, we become peaceful and focused. So we do our things in much more better way. With the advancement in science and technology, people are in hurry. Yes, we all want that our work should be done, our things should be done in a minute. Within a fraction of seconds, we should complete our task. With our technology, with advancement, they are engrossed in this materialistic world in such a way that they don't have enough time to take care of their health in a proper way. It is very true, we do not get time to practice yoga in daily life. In this situation, yoga is the only way out. If we have to stay physically fit, mentally active and spiritually alert, yoga is the only way. Let us adopt it in our daily life, and then only we can lead our life in a more enthusiastic way, because it will help us to stay healthy. Now, these are the steps. This is the way how we can complete Surya Namaskar. There are 12 steps which one should know that how to do Surya Namaskar. So you all please observe the steps from 1 to 12 and practice it daily. But before doing yoga, there are some instructions which we need to take care. What are they? Do yoga early in the morning. It will be beneficial for you when you do yoga, when you practice yoga in the morning. Do yoga when your stomach is empty. If you have eaten something, if you had your lunch or breakfast, please do not do. When your stomach is empty, then only you should practice yoga. Take proper bath before doing yoga. Yoga should be done in a clean and airy place. Make your surrounding clean first, then do yoga. What should you wear? Wear loose, clean and comfortable clothes while doing yoga. Do yoga on the floor, spreading a mat or durries. Okay, do not do on the bed, do it on the floor. Spread a mat or durry, then do it. Do yoga in a calm place. Take liquids at least 1 hour before doing yoga. There must be sufficient place to spread your hands and legs. Use enough space to practice yoga. Be happy while doing yoga. Don't be in stress. Be light, relaxed and enjoy. When we enjoy something, we do in better way. Now what are the points we should remember always? Following are the things must be kept in mind while doing yoga. Pay proper attention on the body. You need to pay attention on your body only. Avoid jerks. Slow and smooth movements are desirable. Do not laugh during the exercise. Do not talk during the exercises. Please follow the instruction carefully, then only it will be good for your health. There must be a suitable match between breathing and movements. There are some ways, there are techniques, there are rules, there are instructions how we should do, how we should practice different asanas. We should follow that. Do each asana for 10 to 15 seconds. 3 rounds of each asana are desirable. If you are performing one asana, please do it for at least 3 times and for 10 to 15 seconds. Close your eyes and relax. Adopt yoga in your daily routine, in your routine life. Do it daily for 30 to 45 minutes. So these are the points which we need to remember, which are very important when we practice yoga. Now there are some asanas. What are they and what are the benefits? How to do them? It is written there. It is mentioned. Please follow. First is Surya Namaskar, which is very important asana. It is known as sun salutation. Here are the steps and what are the benefits of this? It balances our body. It improves our concentration. There are the steps need to follow. See, these are the steps of each. There are the benefits also. Step number 2, what will happen when we do this step? It improves the flexibility of the spine. It stimulates the digestive and endocrine system. The whole system of our body will be relaxed and will be in form. It stimulates. It makes that flow or the flexibility is improved. This posture, it gives the flexibility to the leg muscle. It tones up the abdominal muscles too. Now look at this step. Step number 3. By doing this, it stretches and tones the muscles of the abdomen. It improves the digestion system. In this posture, see, it improves the circulation of body. It calms restless thoughts. This step number 7. This is 10, 11. There are so many benefits. The last but not the least, it stretches the arms, chest, spine and legs. It creates physical and mental balance. So that was all about this chapter. Read it carefully and practice yoga in your daily life so that you become healthy. And how did you like this chapter? Please mention in the comment box. Thank you.